Almost 11 years ago, a group of professionals working on sustainable development in India noted a key gap to a sustainable future of our planet. Though it was widely recognized that the private sector has a significant role to play, business firms, particularly small and medium enterprises, had limited support available to enhance their awareness, knowledge, and competencies to deliver on this agenda. To address this gap, Centre for Responsible Business, or CRB, was conceptualized as a center of excellence.
So when we started off the Centre for Responsible Business 10 years ago, we started with the vision for businesses to integrate sustainability into their core. And soon we realized that for businesses in India, or for that matter, I think for any other emerging economy, many of the businesses cannot be leaders on sustainability by themselves.
And thus started our journey of equipping businesses with relevant knowledge and expertise, facilitating innovative collaborations and supporting the development of an enabling ecosystem.
From the time it was just an idea on the paper, what the organization should focus on, why do we need a center, what are the kinds of needs it should be fulfilling in the marketplace, and how should it be assisting businesses. So from there, CRB has come to a point where it is now recognized as a key actor contributing to the sustainable development conversations in India.
I'm very pleased with the way CRB has shaped up over the last 10 years. Startup challenges were always there. We had a lot of frustration. It started as a project, and managing the relationship with all the three partners was not easy. But at the end, everyone supported.
In the last 10 years, CRB has engaged particularly with SMEs across a wide range of issues and strategies as they transition towards conducting their operations with more responsibility for our sustainable future. Our key thematic areas are circular economy, business and human rights, voluntary sustainability standards, private sector and SDGs, SMEs and sustainability. In our journey, we've identified and engaged with key industry sectors, bringing significant social and environmental impact. Industries like agriculture and agro-based products, apparel and textiles, information and communication technology, electronics, minerals and mining.
So CRB has sustained as an organization for a decade, not just survived, but it has expanded, including during the 1.5 years of COVID times.
The key differentiating factor that has helped CRB really stand out and grow over the last decade has been, in pursuit of its commitment, the ability to examine, understand, as well as bring in voices of the marginalized or relatively underrepresented actors in the global production networks, primarily the workers and suppliers.
Our strength has always been our holistic approach to sustainability and our key focus on evidence-based action, customized advisory services and technical assistance, training and capacity building, multi-stakeholder knowledge.
The journey of CRB has coincided with the journey of responsible business in India, and CRB has played a critical role at each stage of this journey. And as we reflect on the years that have gone by, CRB's unique role as an advocate of responsible business, a champion of industry civil society initiatives, and a hub of alliances and partnerships with a variety of national, regional and international stakeholders make CRB unique and distinctive.
During the early years, we at CRB recognized the value of multi-stakeholder collaborations, which became the driving force for us when in 2014 we conceptualized and launched the India and Sustainability Standards International Dialogues and Conference to encourage conversations and facilitate partnerships for sustainable development. Today, ISS has not only 4,000 plus participants, and 160 plus dialogue sessions, but it has also led to successful partnerships involving relevant stakeholders like Women in Global Value Chains, India Water Stewardship Network, Sustainable Palm Oil Coalition for India, and Indo-Dutch CSR and Sustainability Forum.
I think India as a nation has evolved and CRB has evolved even further. And CRB in the last 1 decade has done some very pioneering work, some very thought-provoking ideas. It has instilled a lot of ahead, forward-looking communication that has happened in the last 1 decade.
Our contribution in this last 1 decade has been repeatedly and widely recognized, and we have been invited to join leading international sustainability initiatives.
I see CRB moving in the direction of, flag bearer and agenda setter on the issues of sustainability, particularly, in terms of setting up new standards in different areas.
To further the Sustainable Development Agenda, CRB has partnered with several national and international organizations.
The growth of CRB from inception to now indicates the success and the right approach. B, the number of partnerships and associations which CRB has been able to develop is commendable.
Going forward, I think there are 3 areas that we are really consolidating all our efforts. The first is to continue to work in the enabling ecosystem, as I said earlier, which is critical to transform business. The second is to stitch up innovative collaborations with partners and multiple stakeholders, bringing them together to find solutions together. And thirdly, to continue to develop skills, expertise, build knowledge and evidence.
Today, we feel that we are better equipped and motivated to prepare for the next decade of our journey, which for us cannot merely be a decade of action, but a decade of measurable impacts.
So my heartiest congratulations to CRB and the entire team that is involved in CRB.
I feel proud to be associated with CRB, and I wish that and let them achieve more and more success, and finally taking the sustainability issues forward.